Hi, it's Sharon Sheldon here from Business Content PLR, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually create your own video from your slideshows. So here I just took a few slides from one of my brand new courses called Content Creation Mastery. And I'm going to go into the normal view where I can see the notes on each of the slides. Now you're going to want to go in there and edit them a bit. I just take the ones from the actual course guide and I put them into each of the slides, but you're going to want to put your own introduction and other notes in there, like I might put, hi, it's, what's correct spelling, it's Sharon Sheldon here from Business Content PLR, etc., 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 etc. And then you'll want to put transitions and things like that, which, you'll know when you go through it and you do a practice run. For instance, you might say, here's the first module. Let's start with the first module. So go through and when you go through, you'll just figure out where you want your transitions and extra words. And then when you go back to the beginning, and we're going to record one snippet. I'm not sure how this is going to work out because I'm recording myself recording something. So this should be very interesting. So here I am, I'm in the normal view. I have my notes here that I'm going to read from, and all I do is go up at the top here to slideshow. I'm going to go to record slideshow, and I'm going to click on start recording from beginning, right? Then it's going to ask me select what you want to record before you begin recording. I'm just going to leave these both checked, the timings and the narrations, because I do want those all to record, especially when I save it as a video. And then I'm going to start recording. I'm going to talk a little bit, walk through it when I start recording so that I can then show you how to finalize it all. So just listen as I talk along for a minute through the slides. Hi, it's Sharon Sheldon here from Business Content PLR, and I want to introduce you to my Content Creation Mastery course. Now, a steady stream of unique, helpful, and engaging content is necessary for online businesses in order to build a relationship with their customers. In this course, you're going to learn to identify the reasons you need a content strategy, draft your own content strategy, identify the keys to becoming a content creation machine, create 7 unique pieces of content, and develop your editorial calendar. We're going to start by looking at the importance of having a content strategy. It's an old cliche, but it's true. Content is king. In any kind of online business, you need a constant stream of fresh content. So let's look at the factors that make up an effective content strategy, because that's going to be key. The first is high quality content. Your audience expects a steady flow of high quality content, and it's nearly impossible to do this without a content strategy in place. Next, they're going to want a consistent message. That's part of your branding. And it's like fitting together the pieces of a puzzle. Okay, so I stopped for a second and ended the recording, and I'm back again at the same screen that comes up after you've recorded your presentation. Now, obviously, I didn't read everything in each slide because I wanted to just show you how to do it. But when you're all done, it'll come up like this, and you'll see that there's actually timings on each one of the slides and a little speaker icon that shows that there's actually audio on that slide. And you can go back and review it and play it and make sure everything sounds right. You could actually record your whole audio separately in a tool like Audacity and then import it, and just as you listen to the audio, click through your slides. That's another way I'll have to show in a different video. So when you're all done, you're just going to go over to File. This is in 2010. You're going to go to File, Save and Send, and there's a thing further down that says Create a Video. So you're going to click on Create a Video, and then there's another button on the right that says Create Video. There are some settings and stuff like that that you can play with, like the actual quality of it. So this one, the highest one would be, say, for YouTube. Then there's Internet DVD, portable devices. Most people, I would think, are putting it onto YouTube, so I'll just leave it at that. It just may take a little time to render. And you want to make sure you're using the recorded timings and narrations, because that's what you just recorded, and then you just click Create Video. you name it. I actually have it set up as demo presentation too, and it'll save as a Windows Media video, but if you end up editing it, you can always change that to a different file format. Like I use Camtasia, where you can separate out the audio, do some editing, stuff like that, and I find it's so helpful. I spent the money to get some training. It was worthwhile if you want to be able to do any editing to it. Otherwise, if I'm doing something quick, I'll just use, say, Snagit. Now this is taking its time. It's actually rendering the video, and it won't show it here when it's done, but when it's all done, there will be that file in my folder, and I'll be able to open it up and play it. So I'm going to pause this for a sec so I can open it when it's all done. Okay, so I'm back. It finished rendering as a video, and it's over in my file folder, so I just went and opened it up. I'm going to drag it back over here so you can see it. And there it is, opened up, and if I click play, you'll be able to hear it, hopefully. So here we go. It's a little quiet.
Mastery course.
Whoop, there it is.
So
So I don't know if you can hear that or not because it's on my speakers and I'm talking at the same time. But you can see that
in this course,
and see how it just goes
you're
through.
Learn.
So that's it. It's all done. I can now upload it to YouTube or put it into my Camtasia and edit it there, separate out the audio, or it's just ready to go. Hope that was a help. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try and do another tutorial somewhere on how to do this with Audacity.